Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn on two-step verification in Hotmail. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, in order to turn on two-step verification for your Hotmail account, you have to follow these steps. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Outlook login page and log in into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, locate your profile icon at the top right corner of the page and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select My Microsoft Account. This will redirect you to your Microsoft Account Management page, where you can access all settings related to your account. Next, on the left-hand navigation bar, click on the Security tab. You may be asked to enter your password again for verification. After confirming your identity, look for the option that says Manage How I Sign In. On this page, look towards top or scroll down and you will see Turn on Two-Step Verification and click on it. This second step could be a code sent to your phone, an email confirmation, or a prompt from the Microsoft Authenticator app. This means even if someone somehow gets your password, they still won't be able to access your account without that secondary verification. Once you've enabled the feature, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. You'll be guided through adding your preferred authentication method and verifying it works correctly. After that, two-step verification will be active for your Hotmail account. And that's it. So that is how you can turn on two-step verification Hotmail. So that's all for this video. Thanks.